So now let me. I'm not sure.
This fan is too noisy.
Okay, so talking about the workshop we are looking at doing come August 31st, can you maybe give the average person out there what they would learn when they come to these 5 days, wonderful set? Because already I'm also, first of all, a student, apart from being a co-lecturer. I've already paid my school fees. You can confirm.
Yes, he has paid. He has paid
So
for the
now
class.
we need just 11 more people
to join.
Tell them what they will be getting in that class.
Basically, what you will get in is 8 years of everything. Everything that took me 8 years to get to, or to know, to acquire. I'm giving you shortcuts, long cuts, and the way to work on with wood and resin, basically. And the catch for you is that you're only coming here with nothing but your mind and your desire to learn, your passion to learn. Everything you need will be given to you. The wood, the materials, the epoxy, everything. And you'll be going back home with the wood and resin piece you created. You understand? So there's a lot to learn. Aside from that, you also there'll be refreshments served daily, tiny snacks and drinks just to get by. And then finally, you have hands-on. You, with your own hands, create your piece while both of us will guide you.
So I think for me, I stumbled on your page. I think it's been more than 1 year now. And because I believe in the power of focus, many people have been asking me, can you do epoxy, resin table? Even though most of them, it's not that they can afford it. They just say, people just are giving recommend. So I was like, one day I'll learn this, whatever. And that's why I did not even hesitate to quickly. So even though I'm going to be a student in this class, I'll also be sharing at least my journey, because not everyone entered into woodworking the same way.
Yeah.
And many times, a lot of what people think is the right way. Like, I'll say the Bible again. Even the Bible says, the place that seems right, the end
is destruction.
Because I've had clients that will come here and say, I have wood at home. Come and use it to make my table. And I'm like, sir, this wood I'm seeing, it will take 1 year for it to dry well. So I'll be sharing a lot about, my own journey too, while also being, a student. So it's going to be a loaded, 5 days with us. Yes, it's pricey, but for a lot of you that have been following me already, you see that I don't think I've done any woodworking workshop. And perhaps in the next 1.5 years, I don't see myself doing any. This is my first.
This could probably be the last time for this year. Because there's just no time.
Training, there's no profit in training. And I'm at that age now where I'm looking for money to visit Donald Trump, to do big things.
Yeah, right.
So it's a token that you still, and people that pay that. I think one other thing that you realize is beyond these classes, you literally have the right to still, for us to keep in touch with you after the class.
Yeah, I always say that to my students. I even do a step higher. If you have a project and you've done the class with us, you can actually bring it home, bring it to the workshop, can guide you. You pay for rent to use the space and power, but you would have everything you need without paying, for that part. So think about this. It's a good deal.
So that's literally paying for mentorship and whatever, which that's why I signed up. So August 31st, 11 spaces more, and this was one of those whatever that I know sometimes they lie and they'll say going soon. It's really 11 spaces.
It's
not more than 12.
Not more than.
So register. The details will be showing on your screen there.
Yeah.
So see you guys in class.
I look forward to seeing you.
August 31st. Yeah. Take care.
Bye.
So just short.